Hey, what's up YouTube? I just wanted to share my experience with my Husqvarna 125 and why I hate this bike so much. I just tried to kickstart it and it broke. The kickstart shaft broke. So what you need to do now is, what I found out on the internet, is divide the whole engine and buy a new shaft, replace it, and put everything back together. And you need new oil for your gearbox. So I don't know why this is happening to me. I'm not that muscular. As you can see. And yeah, the first time it had a blackout and something happened with the fuse, and I had to push it for 2 hours to get to the garage. And the next day I replaced the fuse and wanted to kickstart it and now it broke. So I'm having this bike for like a month or something, and I rode like 3 times. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I just keep asking myself, why?
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 Why? Why? Why? Why?
Why these kind of things always happen to me? I mean, I'm like a real life bad luck Brian. Trust me on that one. It's so frustrating. I don't know if I'm gonna replace it or I don't know what. I just wanted to make new videos riding my bike, but obviously not. My Husqvarna was like, not today, motherfucker. So thank you so much, Husqvarna. My love.